In this video, we are going to talk about creating a killer bonus, hook, line, and sinker. You want to create a theme and a hook to entertain your audience. You want to create a theme and a hook for your bonus offer and page. You want to show your visitors that you want them to remember your offer and that you want to work hard for their money. You want to make it fun, use a video, use a theme for your promotion, but you need to make it fun and exciting. So making your killer bonus. You want to have a fun theme that everyone can relate to. I've used superhero themes in the past. You want to find something that resonates with the people and that can grab their attention. Create a good bonus offer that's going to deliver both value and volume. So when people get a lot of stuff that's useful and not just junk, you'll have a great promotion. So you want to create a good bonus. Some of the best bonuses are actually created later after your promotion is actually finished. You can do coaching calls, one-on-one calls, webinars, or even interviews, all kinds of stuff like that. Now, only approximately 3 to 5% of people that buy your bonus actually come to claim those services, but you want to create a good bonus for people. Increase the value, put a lot of bonuses together because, like we said, they're going to be going bonus shopping. We have to make sure that you have a good bonus that's going to fill the gap and they will want to buy from you and not buy from somebody else. Create bonuses that are congruent to your offer that you are promoting. When you put together your promotion, you have the crush campaigns that you put together. You can set up deals where you can find promotional value with the vendor. So let's talk about creating the killer bonus. Creating unique bonuses is critical to having an awesome bonus that you can offer to your subscribers and customers to get more sales out of your affiliate promotions. This can be very scary and mind-blowing if you have never created a product or something to deliver to your subscribers before. You want to make sure that you deliver quality and good content, so we're going to cover how to create some unique, useful, and awesome products to start building your digital asset library. You want to create and build bonuses that are congruent to the main product you're promoting, meaning that you want to have bonuses related to the main product. Something that will help your subscribers make more money with the main product or make it easier for them to use it faster. The most important thing about creating great bonuses is making them useful. Not just stuff, but things people actually want and can use. By offering a lot of useful bonuses, your offer is more appealing to your customers. What are some bonus ideas? You are an expert on subject topics within your niche. You need the confidence to put your knowledge onto digital paper. If you have ever written a book report in school, you can create a report or an ebook that you can deliver that will be completely unique because it's your original content. You can always have this outsourced as well if you choose to speed up the process. People love training videos to teach them what they want to know. This is the digital age, and this is the format that we all want to learn through. By creating short videos and presentations, you can use these as bonuses. This will not only create content for you, it will also build your brand that is equally important. Most people these days are so busy and on the go. Audio recordings of your videos and training are valuable because they can easily be added to your subscriber's smartphone or any device that they use to listen to music or audio. They can now learn and take advantage of your bonus as they go through their busy schedules trying to build an online business. This is a bonus that you do not have to deliver up front and can be completed after the promotion is over. These coaching calls can be delivered as a teleconference or webinar. You can be live on camera or use a presentation to deliver to your subscribers. Create presentations related to the product that you're promoting that will help them use the product better and be more successful. You can also invite the product creator onto the call to show your audience that you care about them and are going to deliver secrets about the product that they can't get from anyone else. Exclusive interviews are awesome bonuses to deliver to your subscribers and customers. These are extremely easy to do and are high perceived value as a bonus. By asking product vendors for an interview is a great way to deliver good content about the product that you are promoting to your audience. These interviews can be used to deliver insider tips and tricks about the product to increase your conversion from your bonus page to increase your sales. Interviews can also be transcribed into ebooks or audio recordings if you interview the expert live. Using private label rights is a great tool to use to create bonuses but you need to do it the right way. When using PLR content to create your bonuses, you'll need to completely change the content to be unique to you. So what do I mean by that? PLR content is purchased by hundreds or even thousands of people, and you want to make sure that your bonus is unique. So you want to change the content to be your own and from your own voice. Changing the graphics is the first step in making your private label rights content unique. It is easy to have graphics created for your new product. You can use sites like Fiverr or go onto the Warrior Forum and have ebook covers and graphics created very inexpensively. Next, you want to review the content and make sure it is good quality and make any updates or changes that you think are necessary to reflect what you are trying to deliver to your audience. Using what you already have is the quickest and easiest way to make unique bonuses for your subscribers that they will love. If you have ever created a report, a video, an email series for a promotion, anything that you have created in the past for your niche, you can turn into another product bonus. For example, if you have recorded a video that has taught something, you can turn that into an audio recording by extracting the audio from the video for your people to go and listen to your training. You can have the audio transcribed into a report or an ebook for those that like to read. You can even bundle all the videos you've created into a bigger package for a bonus. Now remember, don't overthink the creation of the bonuses that you're going to deliver. That's the easy part. Many of these can be created and delivered after the promotion ends. Keep it fun and exciting for your tribe. Be unignorable. I'm going to leave you with a final quote. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope or confidence. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.